Okay, we just got a little bit of unfinished business here with this game. We want to make it feel really like a game. So basically when the timer's done, in this video when you're done you'll have the background will swap so it'll feel very done, like complete. And we want to use some display to actually give the user a message like, hey, you made it for this long, you survived this game for so many seconds. So that's our mission. Let's hop on over Scratch and make that work. So over here in Scratch we're still in the spaceship's brain, and we got this awesome repeat until loop. Now, if you'll notice at the bottom of this loop, there's a little thing I can connect something to. So I'm going to connect something to the bottom of this loop. So what I'm going to say is, after this loop is done, let's go to sound. So do this with me. Grab your sound. Let's play this weird alien sound. Then hop up to looks for me. And in the looks tab, I'm looking to switch the backdrop. And where's switch back? Oh, there's switch backdrop. Switch the backdrop to stars. Right now we're on something called space, and we're going to go to something called stars. Sounds exciting. But here's what's amazing about this. When you're looking at this, when it's called a loop for a reason, what's going to happen is you hit this green flag. When you hit the green flag, it's going to set the clock to 0. That will happen exactly one time. Then you come here to this loop, and it's called a loop because you're going to keep going like around in circles. You're going to keep waiting, changing, come back around, wait and change, wait and change. And you get stuck here doing this stuff over and over again until you touch the octopus. Once you've hit the bad guy, then what's going to happen is you're going to get like kicked out of this loop, and you'll come here, play a sound one time, and then you're going to move on and switch the backdrop one time. So literally you press green, clock gets set, repeat, 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 get kicked out, and then move on with your life. Now I don't know, what I love about a repeat until block is I don't know how many times that's going to repeat. It's just going to keep going until something tells it to stop. It could be 10 times, could be 1,000 times, I don't know. But you're going to love it because it makes your game work beautifully. So I'm repeating the counting. Beautiful. I got hit, switch the backdrop, played the song one time. So make sure your game works in this way. Boom. Let's do one other thing. While I'm here in this looks tab, I want to hide that spaceship so it feels like he died or got eaten by the octopus. Now you'll notice that octopus is lying to you. It's saying you survived for 100 seconds. You survived for 0.18 seconds. We need to go fix that. Very nice. Now, so your game works in that way. We need to go fix the octopus because he's a liar. So we've been in the spaceship of the brain the whole time. I want to click on the octopus. Once we go over here, now I said the code's complete. I'm a liar. You want to scroll down, if you can't see it, down to this part where it says when the backdrop changes. And you do all this, clear, pin up, you go to the middle, you point to the right, and then the octopus literally says, that's what gives him the word bubble, you survived for 100. That is a lie. What I want to do is right here, I want to grab that variable and put it here. Now, the thing that kids do to me all the time, kids go, oh, I'll type the word clock, because that's the name of that variable. If you type that in, he literally says whatever you typed there. He'll say the word clock. That's not what I want. What I want is that variable. So to grab him, I'm going to go to this data tab. When I go to the data tab, you're going to see that variable, and you're going to go drop that. See how it highlights? Drop it here. So it's going to say you survived for, then it's going to go look in that cup, grab that number, and put it in his word bubble. Very nice. Very different. Don't say the word, don't type the word clock, use the variable clock. The rounding is not all that pretty. We're fine with that. We could do some fancy math to round it. We're not going to. But that join block puts them together to make a sentence. Now that you've got that, you are awesome. And your game is beautiful. So make sure, first of all, make sure you've hit remix, otherwise you haven't saved your work. You want to make sure you share it, and then you want to copy that URL and go paste it into Canvas.